Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today the question is, should you purchase Boxycharm? So I'm just going to be going over the products, and make sure you check out my other videos for Boxycharm. You'll always see if it's worth it, if you ever get any months that's not worth it. So far, I've gotten months that are worth it. Let's check to see if February's month is worth it, okay? So, February's month. Okay, we got a couple things I'm seeing that is really nice. Okay guys, sorry about that. So, my Boxycharm for February 2020, I actually really liked it this month. I mean, it came with more of what I've wanted. It's perfect. So I had to look up on my computer how much everything costs, because I didn't get that little card inside the box that I usually get that tells me the actual pricing of everything, so I can add it up and see if this month's box is worth it, but we'll do it with the computer, okay? Alright guys, so first things first, I received, like I first noticed, you know, this sponge set, if you can see it. It's a complete sponge set for bake, contour, and detail. So I'm pretty sure it's in that order. Bake, contour, detail. And it gets smaller. I think it's really cute. And I really needed some of these, so I'm glad I didn't have to go out and buy any. It's like they were reading my mind. Alright guys, so that right there costs $40. That is the Luxie Complete Sponge Set. Alright? So $40. That's already over what we pay for Boxycharm a month. Okay? So the second thing I received is this Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream from Amica. That one is $25, and I am very particular with my hair care products. Like I usually go for things that are for curly hair pretty much. I'm pretty sure this, maybe it's good for curly hair. I'll give it a try. It says it tames frizz and heat products. I don't put heat on my hair often, so. It's a leave-in cream, weightlessly conditioned. So, I mean, that sounds up my alley. I'm definitely going to give it a try. Alright, so that one was $25 for that. Amica. What is next? We have here we go. This right here, the QMS Medi Cosmetics Intensive Eye Care Cream. Okay, so it's day and night eye cream. Something I don't use. I don't think I need eye cream. And I use something else. I am using a different product for my skin, but you know, eye cream, that one retails for $132. So that's this little tiny 15 milliliter thing is $132. That has to be, I mean, that has to obviously be a good product, great quality. So $132, we are well over the amount that I spend on this box a month. Alright, so some of my favorite products that I did get. Okay, so next product is the Pretty Vulgar, the Faux Real Extreme Volume Mascara, the Black Swan. So this one, I couldn't find it on the site, but it retails for $16 at Sephora. And this is the box that it came in. It's the $149. Yeah, $149. So $16 for that one. Now let's check this one. Alright, so look at that. I mean, it looks like it'll apply pretty thickly. I'll apply that in a sec. Actually, I'll apply now. Let's do it now. Let's see. I have no makeup on. I have no lashes. These are my natural lashes, so see what they do to them. Okay. So it gives a little volume. Really cute. Alright, let's put that away. So $16 I said, right? Alright, so the next one. So the next one is from Queen Studio, the Matte Liquid Lip Stain. This one retails for $17. So, see that color? It's a pretty color. I'm going to try it on. Let me sure. Because I have some like gloss on my lips. Oh, would you look at that? My lips aren't chappy. It smells really good. Okay. So I don't know, can you guys see that? I really like that color. That's really pretty. And what I love about stains is they literally stay on all day. Like, I'll test this one out, but from what I know about stains is they stay on all day. Like, even the cheapest ones. Because it's a stain, you know? So I love stains. Make sure your lips aren't chappy while you're using it. Any matte lipstick, you want to make sure your lips are like super, you know, not chapped. Alright, so that one retails for $17, guys. So let's calculate everything. Alright, so let's calculate for the sponge set. This one was $42. For the intensive eye cream, that one was $132. What was this one? For the Pretty Vulgar, that one was $16, right? Yeah, $16. And then for the lip stain, that one retails for $17, okay? So altogether that is $207. $207. That's not bad for spending. Oh, and I got word that Fenty Beauty is coming to Boxycharm. I mean, getting a Fenty Beauty product in a Boxycharm will make my entire month. I will be so pleased. So I buy the $25 box, and you can get that one is the regular, you know, box. You can go higher and get the premium box, but I do the $25 one. And so I do it 3 months in like ahead of time. You can do 3 months, you can do monthly, 3 months, 6 month, the year. I do the 3 month, and if they start adding Fenty Beauty in there, you know Fenty Beauty's products, they're reasonable, but they're quality, great quality products. So always getting a great quality product for cheaper, it just blesses my heart. Like I need that. But so I'm waiting for that. They said it's coming soon on the website. It says it right here. You take a screenshot so they can't say it's not. But yeah, so $25. Our box, everything added up to $207. So would you or should you buy Boxycharm to get 4 to 5 full size products? I think it's definitely obvious. You should definitely try it out. Try it out for 1 month. You can always cancel, but just try it out for 1 month. And make sure in my description box, I'll have the link that you can use to get a nice percentage off. I'm thinking I'll have the link that you can use. In my description, I have the link that you can use if you're interested. Make sure you use the link and enjoy it. And let me know in the comments if you guys like this one, what other subscription boxes you do enjoy. I've heard of many other ones, but I'm pretty sure Boxycharm is the only one that gives the 4 to 5 full size products. Full size. Like I'm using something from an October box. I'm still using that product. The moisturizing cream at night, I'm still using that. That's from 4 months ago. It's full size. So if you guys are interested, let me know. And don't forget to like and comment on my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, because I do upload 3 to 4 times a week, guys. And I've been really good lately. So don't miss out. Thank you.